Hi friends, Ellen here. Today, I will tell you how to change the background of the template in Canva. In this example, the image frame is set as the background and it is locked from changes. Let's unlock it. Next, right-click and choose Detach Image from Background. I will show you 3 options for changing the background. Option 1. Just change the background color. The color is adjusted, like this. In the end, we return the frame in its place. Done. Option 2. We choose the ready background offered by Canva. First, we remove the colored background. Next, go to Elements and type in a search, for example, background paper. Please pay attention that items marked crown are not available with free account of Canva. Choose the background you like from the choices offered. Right-click and select Set Image as Background. You can customize the background. For example, change the transparency. Like this. To make color corrections, click Edit Photo. Select Adjust. Then edit the brightness, contrast, highlights, etc. as you like. It's ready. Option 3. We upload our own background. For example, I need this image. Drag and drop it in the loading window. After loading it, we do the same as in the second option. Right-click and select Set Image as Background and return the frame in place. That's all. Now you know how to quickly change the background of your template using Canva. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. See you soon, friends.